Hi everyone, about a minute from Pepperdine University. I'm here on the campus. I'm at the graduate school here at the School of Public Policy, and wow, what a place. That's the Pacific, of course, in the background there. I'm going to be talking to my friend Steve Hayward's class here, talking about energy and power, and I'm going to have a particular focus on power density. And Steve asked me to do that on purpose because he wanted these graduate students to have a good grounding in the science and physics, rather, of our energy and power systems. And he said, look, it would be really helpful if you explain it to him. So power density, I'm going to be talking about that. And why? Well, it's the iron law of power density. The lower the power density, the higher the resource intensity. Why does this matter? Well, because if you start with something that has a low power density output, like corn ethanol, like wind energy, you need a lot of land. And to counteract that low power density, you have to have a lot of inputs: steel, copper, concrete, fertilizer, etc. High power density sources, super high power density sources like nuclear and natural gas, have low material inputs, and therefore they take up less land. They don't need as much steel, as much copper. All of these things that now are coming to the fore in terms of supply chains, etc., are key to understanding why our energy and power systems are the way they are. And why are they the way they are? It's largely because of power density. The higher the power density, the lower the resource intensity, and this is the key to understanding nearly everything when it comes to energy and power. So I've talked about this, of course, and written about it a lot on my Substack, so I don't want to belabor it here. But I was pleased that Steve asked me to focus on that today here at Pepperdine. And we're also going to be showing one of the episodes from our docuseries, and then later tonight we're showing the feature-length documentary, Juice: How Electricity Explains the World, which I was the executive producer on, and Tyson Culver directed. So excited about that, and excited to be here in Malibu, which is as beautiful as everybody says it is, and never been here to Pepperdine. So flattered to be here. But look up power density, and then you can find it in my writing on power density on my Substack, and you know where to find my Substack, robertprice.substack.com. Thanks a lot. See ya.